Bro, why can't you sneeze with your eyes open? Like, try it. Actually, don't. Because your eyes automatically close when you sneeze, and it's way harder to keep them open. For a long time, people thought your eyes might literally pop out if you sneezed with them open. Yeah. That sounds like something your grandma would tell you. But that's basically a myth. Your eyelids closing is more like an automatic reflex. Your brain coordinates the sneeze with a bunch of muscles in your face. So while your body is going, cool, your eyes are basically going, not watching this. And honestly, fair enough. Bro, your own body literally refuses to let you watch yourself sneeze.